Miss Marissa and Miss Ignis here to put you in the mood to go and wash your hands and learn about some food.
Hello, I'm Miss Marisa and we're going to be making another healthy snack today. So you only need 2 ingredients for this snack. One is going to be whatever fruit you can find in your house. Fresh fruit is going to work best for this. And then yogurt. We're going to dip the fruit in yogurt. Put it on a pan with some parchment paper. You can use tinfoil if you want. And then we're just going to stick it in the freezer, let them freeze, and then we'll have little frozen yogurt fruit bites. Alright, so we're just going to get started. I picked out some blueberries, some blackberries, some mango chunks, and some bananas, because that's what I could find in my house. Just use any fruit that you have and try it out. See what you like the best. And I'm using a spoon just to help me cover each fruit in yogurt. I want to make sure they're thoroughly covered. You want to do this with clean hands, so wash your hands really good before you do this, okay? Alright, so I have the blueberries, and we're doing the same things with the blackberries, the mango chunks. I'm really excited to see how these turn out. And also the bananas. I think the bananas are going to be really good too. So just lay them out on your sheet and then you're going to stick them in the freezer. I will check back in a second. Alright, so I just let these freeze for about 2.5 hours and they look really good. They have a hard shell on the outside and I did try them. They're really good. It tastes just like a little ice cream bite. Whatever fruit you have is gonna work. I really like the mango one and the blueberry, but the blackberry and the bananas were really good too. So what you can do to store them, I just have like an old salsa jar. I'm just gonna pick them up and put them in here and put them back into the freezer so I can save them for later. Enjoy and see you next time.
Miss Marissa and Miss Ignis here to put you in the mood to go and wash your hands and learn about some food.